Hello! Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to set up your curriculums by using the teacher role on the 3D Experience platform. Naturally, the process will start by entering the 3D Experience system by using your credentials. Once inside, we will use the predefined teacher role dashboard, which will have 4 sub-menus, and we are focusing on the curriculums side of it. We already see 4 existing curriculums that have been previously made. To add a curriculum, we will use the new curriculum button, and from it we can specify properties such as the course name, description, authors, teachers for example, and also the content. Here we see 3 ways of selecting which kind of content we are going to create, meaning how we will build up our bookmarks. We will select the generate first level of bookmark, and by doing it we have to manually add the static prefix such as module, and on the second row we can specify how many modules there are going to be, so in this case 9. Then we will click on the create button and the system starts building the structure for our curriculum, meaning it will create user groups, collaborative spaces, and also the bookmark structure. Once completed, we can specify the module names by overwriting the static value, and we have the availability and possibility to drag and drop the material inside of our bookmarks from existing folders from our PCs. By having this done, we can already see the files as well. For that we can utilize the preview button, which will allow us to see what kind of content we have added. We also have nice functionality for adding links to our bookmarks or modules, where we simply assign the name and copy paste some kind of link that we want to share with our students. The other way of creating a new curriculum is selecting the organize my curriculum content manually later. So in that case, we will have a bit more freedom, since we can upload all the information at once from our folder structure in our PCs. So in our case, I have existing folder structure in my PC. I highlight them all and drag and drop them into this new curriculum. We will also have some kind of overview of the process. We will see which have completed, which are pending, and so on, and also we are warned if there are any issues with our uploading. Once uploaded, we will see that there are maturity states also given, and in this case we see draft, so we can make them visible by setting them in work. We can do it one by one, or just highlighting all the bookmarks and then changing the maturity state. Now, let's say for some courses we want to use existing curriculums. So we have the third option, which is duplicate content from an existing curriculum. In that case, we select the existing curriculum and all the data inside of it will be duplicated to this new one. And later we can change what we are going to use in our new curriculum and what not. We have now covered the basics of creating new curriculum in 3 different ways by utilizing the teacher role on the 3D Experience platform.